Okay, so I was scrolling through Anambra's First Son media page today, and what I saw, absolutely impressive. I've got something really exciting to show you all today. I just had to bring it to you all ASAP as soon as possible. This right here is Solution Fund City, a massive project, in fact, one of the top massive projects currently ongoing in Anambra State. And the most interesting part is this project, this Solution Fund City, is fully funded by the Anambra State Government. No borrow of any kind. And guess what? It's all thanks to Governor Charles Soludo himself. It's really refreshing to see a project moving at such a fast pace. Like, wasn't it just like yesterday they started this project and they've gotten to this point? Look at how much they've done already. Seriously, they are not playing around here. Looking around, you see how very wet the whole environment is, and that's because it's been raining cat and dog lately. I mean, the rain has been so much, and which explains why the environment is very wet, of course. But even despite the weather, despite the everyday rain, the contractors, the workers are out there, doing their job effortlessly. I mean, nothing is stopping them from making progress. Just take your time and see how far they've come with this project. From the foundations to the structures, you can tell that they are putting in some serious work. The vision is very clear, and I can already imagine how amazing this fun city is going to be when it's finally completed. Honestly, this is the kind of project that gets you very excited about the future of a particular state. It's not just about building structures anyway, it's about creating something special for the community. A place for fun, relaxation, and entertainment right here in the East. A win for one is a win for all. Now tell me, what do you all think about the progress so far at the Solution Fund City in Awka? Well, that's all for now. Ebony People TV viewers, I'm really impressed with what's happening here, and I just hope you are very impressed too. And I'll be keeping an eye on this particular project. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates just like this one. See you in our next video.